Hi. Today we are going to see how in the Center of Excellence on Biomass Valorization, several students of very different origins can work together and solve common problems, mixing their different knowledge on this unique platform for capacity building.
Hello, I'm Candice. I'm a PhD student from INTROP, UPM, University Putra of Malaysia, and I'm doing study on modeling of biomass transportation for biofuel production. And we have Jean-Eudes here.
Jean-Eudes, French student in the Agro Campus West, Rennes. I'm here for internship, 6-month internship with the Cirad, French research company. So I help Candice with her work, and we are facing a big problem.
So all the folders are here. So the folders are named according to the biomass residues type, and also the size of truck. We have 1 ton, 3 ton, 10 ton, and 26 ton. So each file we have 352 items, and totally we have 69 folders. So all these we need to summarize into a template. So this is our template. We have to record for every residues and truck size, the distance, the transport cost, the biomass availability, and calculate the average cost. So it's very time consuming and very repetitive and very boring. So, and it also takes a very long time to complete 90 cities.
For example, to complete just one city, it takes more than 1 day. So,
because we have one city, each template we have 11 resources, so 11 worksheets. So it is very, very time consuming. Before filling in, we need to open all the required files. So for each city, we need to open 272 files at once. If we do it on like normal private personal computer, the RAM is usually like 8 gigabyte to 16 gigabyte. So the computer will just crash because not enough memory. But luckily in our lab we have a high power computation center. So with the RAM 64 gigabytes, so we can open one city, 272 files is required, so we can open it at once. So when the macro do the work, it can directly link to the file.
At the beginning, Candice start to do this manually and just ask me for, can you help me to do this? But say no, you should have some quicker way to do this, because I used to not use it, but I'm aware of this existing. In my studies, I already use a macro, but I didn't know how to create it. So I thinking, no, you can do it faster, because Excel can do things that are repetitive, and so we start to think and how to generate function and so. And because we are from different countries, don't think exactly the same way. I think I'm probably lazy, so doing things automatically is things I really like. And it's really can avoid error like this.
So when I face this problem, I think, I'm very defeated. How can I finish my work in the time frame? So I was stuck. So I asked Jean-Eudes for help. So he helped me figure out the concatenate function. So I was very impressed with what just one function can do. Before this, because I have no experience using Visual Basic and doing macros, so by doing this, he ignited my interest in doing this. So we improve stage by stage. So this is our first experience using macro and Visual Basic. I'm very happy we can save so much time by automating all the work. So I think mixing people with different background is really help us to grow. So we can learn from each other.
Yes, it's true. I couldn't have the opportunity to deal with such a database if I didn't work with a PhD student.
For 90 city, more than 2 months work, we cut it short to just a few days. Yes, just a few working days, like 2 to 3 days of working days. We can complete everything automatically.